I got some deliveries, and this time it is from RC GOLDLINE. Yes guys, RC GOLDLINE now delivers, and in celebration of the Great Cebu sale, they have a lot of discounts and deals up for grabs. One of it is this EzyKam CPplus. It is a home on your phone HD wireless cloud camera. As I may read the features, it says it is Intel 5, so it seemingly connects with your Wi-Fi, home on your phone, area protect, Omni Connect, HD video, and view and talk. So it can see up to 32 feet or 10 meters in a night vision. It can do remote viewing, HD high definition, record video and audio, smartphone compatible, Insta Cloud, playback, and of course it can also have an optional HD card. And RC GOLDLINE being part of the Great Cebu sale, they are offering this for only 999 pesos, and it comes with a free 32 gig memory card. And in my case, nasa sila pa free nga goggles. Thank you so much RC GOLDLINE. So what is included in the box? So number one, of course, naagyod ang quick setup guide. So naa ang guide on saon pag setup ng camera, but actually grabe ra kayo siya ka self-explanatory, or marami siya plug and play. The moment you plug it, you connect it to the Wi-Fi, then mag-download lang yun dayon ka sa EzyKam nga app, and wala na, you're connected right away also. And added daghan sa siyang features or applications within the app nga dali ra kay nimo magamit ang camera. And one thing ako naganahan, kay pwede ka makigstorya while viewing at the camera. And wow, luckily na ay appeal nga adapter na daan, so you don't have to buy or look for one. And of course, the charging cable. So, or it's like the wire cable, it couldn't be charged. So, it's like a mini USB to USB. And nasa siya pakapin nga screw or kana sa murag plastic kung asa nimo ibutang ang screw if ever you want your camera to be more stable. And of course, ang camera itself or ang unit. Again, this unit is the HC10. This is not a rotating camera. Kaya naasad siya laing model nga it can rotate 360 degrees. But me personally, it's okay with this price, 999. Dili siya mo rotate and wide angle na sad siya. So this is very good deal na gyud kaayo. So again, RC GOLDLINE now delivers, and they deliver from Monday to Saturday through their in-house delivery. To shop and to see more of their deals, especially for the Great Cebu sale, just visit www.rcgoldline.com. Or you may visit also the nearest RC GOLDLINE nearest you to see what are their in-store sale also. And if you want a full review of this EzyKam, please do drop a comment down below. But before that, don't forget to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!